This Android tutorial shows how to build voice and video calls into your app with ZEGOCLOUD. To embed call feature, we are going to integrate and customize ZEGOCLOUD pre-built UI Kit SDK into your app. Then users start voice, video, or text chat through ZEGOCLOUD real-time network. It's that simple. Now, we are in an Android environment. We start from zero to integrate ZEGOCLOUD Kit. The first step is to create a new app project in Android Studio, and then, on this page, you might need to wait for a while before you start it. Until now, you can add a call button on your app homepage. Select Activity Main from the list and convert view to button. Now you got the button. But we still need to edit the button. Change the text here, make a new call, and assign ID for the button so that the call button can function. Okay, now we start to add ZEGO Kit pre-built call as dependencies. The first step is to add the Jetpack configuration. If your Gradle version is later than version 6.8, modify your settings Gradle file, adding the following code like this. The second step is to modify your app level build Gradle file. Select the file and add this line here. And then, the SDK starts to download, after we click, Sync Project with Gradle files. It might cost you a few minutes. Okay, it has been built successfully and it is ready to run. Before using the call fragment in your project, we still need to create a call activity. Select New Activity and Empty Activity, one by another, and we name it Call Activity. Next, we are going to add an action to the call activity from the main activity by the following code. Now you can see, when we click the button in the app, it will jump to the call page. Now, we start to use the ZEGO Kit pre-built call fragment in your project. Firstly, you need to enter app ID and app sign, and I will show you how to find it in ZEGOCLOUD admin console. Here is the page of the console after you sign in. Create your own project. And then click the edit button. Okay, you can directly copy your app ID and app sign here. Now back to here, we keep going on. In our test program, you can use random strings as user ID and username. If you have your own user account system, you can use those. Add the following code with the parameters. You also need to enter call ID, which is for users that join the call with the same call ID can talk to each other. You can customize the rules of call ID as you like, according to your business logic. And keep finishing all the code for this step. Okay, here we are. For the last step, we are going to help you modify the auto-created activity call XML file by adding the following code. Now, you can make a new call by starting your call activity. Okay, now you have finished all the steps. You can simply click the Run on Android Studio to run and test your app on your device. Voice and video calls now can be used in your app. And that is all for integrating CallKit and building call feature in Android. Let's get started.